Welcome to InvestorWeb, your reliable source of investment knowledge and financial wisdom. Our purpose is to equip you with the necessary tools to make informed decisions about your money. At InvestorWeb, we delve deep into the world of finance, dissecting complex topics into easy-to-understand content. From investment opportunities to financial strategies, we provide insights that make the complex world of finance a bit more manageable. Our goal is to empower you to take control of your financial future. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating topic: 10 reasons why getting rich is easy. We'll delve into the various factors that have made wealth creation more achievable than ever before. From the power of the internet to the impact of globalization, we'll discuss how these elements can contribute to your financial success. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. The first reason why getting rich is easy today is the internet. This vast interconnected web has opened doors to an array of income streams and opportunities that were unimaginable just a few decades ago. For instance, the surge of online businesses from e-commerce to digital consulting has democratized entrepreneurship, allowing anyone with a good idea and a stable internet connection to start their own venture. Moreover, the rise of freelancing and digital marketing has created a gig economy where skills and expertise can be sold globally, providing a flexible and often lucrative source of income. Even blogging, once considered a hobby, has blossomed into a full-fledged career, with successful bloggers raking in substantial earnings from advertising and sponsorships. The internet is more than just a tool. It's an economic powerhouse that has leveled the playing field, giving everyone an equal shot at financial success. The internet has truly revolutionized the way we earn money, making wealth creation more accessible than ever. The second reason is the abundance of investment opportunities. Today, the financial market is teeming with a diverse array of investment vehicles. Let's start with stocks, a classic choice for many. They provide a share in a company's earnings and potential for significant returns over the long haul. Then we have real estate, a tangible asset that generally appreciates over time. It has the added advantage of providing rental income while your property's value grows. Looking for something a bit more hands-off? Mutual funds pool money from multiple investors to create a diversified portfolio managed by professional fund managers. And let's not overlook the digital age's shining star, cryptocurrencies. These digital assets have seen substantial growth and can offer high returns, albeit with higher risk. These are just a few examples. There are countless other opportunities out there. With the right knowledge and strategy, these investments can greatly increase your wealth. Thirdly, automation has made getting rich easier. Now let's break down how. Automation, in its simplest form, is technology that performs tasks with minimal human intervention. This can range from automated bill payments to complex trading algorithms. Imagine this scenario. You're managing your finances, tracking your investments, running a business, all while trying to keep up with the rapid pace of life. It can be overwhelming, but what if you could delegate some of these tasks to a reliable, accurate, and tireless assistant? That's where automation steps in. With automation tools and software, you can manage your finances, monitor your investments, and run your business more efficiently. It's like having a personal assistant that never sleeps. It keeps an eye on your budget, hunts for investment opportunities, and even manages your business operations. This level of efficiency can significantly increase your earning potential. Automation not only saves time, but also boosts productivity and profitability. The fourth reason is globalization. Globalization has fundamentally transformed the way we live and conduct business. Today, in our interconnected world, it's possible to establish a thriving business or invest in promising ventures, no matter where they are based. This global exchange of goods, services, and capital has significantly expanded opportunities for wealth creation. You no longer need to be confined by the limits of your immediate environment. With the right strategy, you can tap into emerging markets halfway around the globe, harnessing the power of diverse economies and cultures. Moreover, globalization has fostered an international network of entrepreneurs and investors, providing a platform for collaboration and shared success. Whether it's investing in a tech startup in Silicon Valley, a manufacturing business in China, or a renewable energy project in Africa, the world truly is your oyster. In conclusion, globalization has indeed opened up a world of possibilities for those seeking to get rich. The fifth reason is the availability of education and information. We live in an era where educational resources are just a click away. Online courses, webinars, ebooks, you name it. They're all available at the tip of your fingers, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. This widespread access to information has empowered individuals like never before. It enables us to make informed decisions about our finances and investments. We can learn about the stock market, real estate, and other investment opportunities right from the comfort of our homes. Moreover, with the rise of financial technology, it's easier than ever to keep track of your investments and make data-driven decisions. This is a game changer. It's a level playing field. It's not just the Wall Street bigwigs who have access to this kind of information anymore. Knowledge is power, and in this case, it's the power to get rich. The sixth reason is the power of network and collaborations. In this interconnected world, the adage, "No man is an island," rings truer than ever. Building a robust network of like-minded individuals and businesses can open doors to opportunities you might never have considered. It's like planting a seed in a fertile field, where the right connections can help your wealth grow exponentially. Collaborations, on the other hand, are like a two-way street. They allow you to leverage other people's skills, resources, and experiences. It's a symbiotic relationship where everyone benefits. For instance, partnering with a seasoned investor could fast-track your wealth accumulation journey, while offering them a fresh perspective or a new venture. In essence, the wealth you accumulate isn't just about the money in your bank account. It's the relationships you've built, the partnerships you've forged, and the collaborations you've established. Remember, your network is your net worth. The more extensive and diverse it is, the richer you become. Seventh on our list is government policies and support. A tremendous factor in wealth creation is the support provided by local and national governments. These entities are increasingly recognizing the importance of small businesses and startups in driving economic growth and job creation. Consequently, they're creating supportive policies and offering incentives such as tax breaks, grants, and access to low-interest loans. In certain parts of the world, governments have even set up incubators and accelerators to help startups scale and thrive. These initiatives provide mentorship, funding, and networking opportunities that can be instrumental in a company's success. In addition, governments often invest in infrastructure and education to create a conducive environment for businesses to prosper. This includes everything from improving transport links to fostering a skilled workforce. When leveraged correctly, these government policies and support mechanisms can act as a springboard, propelling your small business or startup into a wealth-generating powerhouse. Government support can significantly boost your journey towards getting rich. The eighth reason is innovation and technology. Now let's delve into the exciting world of technology and innovation. The pace at which technology is advancing is staggering. This rapid progress has unlocked a plethora of new industries and opportunities. Think about the tech giants of today. Companies like Apple, Amazon, and Google all started from a simple, innovative idea, and now they are multi-billion-dollar enterprises. Innovations like blockchain technology, artificial intelligence, and virtual reality are not just buzzwords. They are creating new avenues for wealth generation. For instance, the blockchain's decentralized nature has led to the creation of cryptocurrencies, which have made many early adopters incredibly wealthy. Similarly, artificial intelligence is revolutionizing industries from healthcare to finance, creating lucrative opportunities for those willing to embrace it. The advent of virtual reality has opened up a whole new industry of immersive experiences, gaming, and even virtual real estate. Innovation and technology are indeed game changers in wealth creation. The ninth reason is your mindset and attitude. Now, this might seem a little abstract compared to the other reasons we've been discussing, but it's equally, if not more, important. You see, wealth is not just about the tangible assets you accumulate. It's also about the intangible aspects such as your mindset and attitude towards money and wealth. Consider this. Two individuals with the same income and opportunities can have drastically different financial outcomes based on their mindset. One person might adopt a scarcity mindset, constantly anxious about losing money, leading to poor financial decisions. The other person, on the other hand, might embrace an abundance mindset, viewing money as a tool to create opportunities and build wealth, leading to sound financial decisions and prosperity. Therefore, cultivating the right mindset and attitude is key. Embrace a positive, growth-oriented attitude. View money as a tool, not as an end in itself. And remember, money is meant to be invested, not just saved. Your mindset and attitude can make or break your journey towards getting rich. And finally, the 10th reason is time. Time, the ever-constant, invisible yet powerful factor in the journey to wealth. It's not just about the hours you put into your work, but the years you allow your investments to grow. Consider the magic of compounding interest. It's the process where the interest you earn on your initial investment starts earning interest itself. With time, even a small investment can snowball into a substantial sum. It's like planting a tree. You water it, nurture it, and then you wait. The tree doesn't grow overnight. It takes time. Similarly, long-term investments often yield better returns than short-term ventures. The stock market, for example, has its ups and downs, but over the long haul, it has consistently proven to be a profitable investment. So give your wealth the gift of time. Be patient, invest wisely, and let time work its magic. Time is indeed money. So there you have it. 10 reasons why getting rich is easy. Let's recap. The internet is a goldmine of opportunities, from e-commerce to online trading. Investment opportunities abound, both traditional and alternative. Automation is streamlining businesses, boosting profits. Globalization has made it possible to tap into markets around the world. Education and information are more accessible than ever, empowering you with knowledge to make smart financial decisions. Networking and collaborations can give your wealth-building journey a significant boost. Government policies and support can provide a favorable environment for wealth creation. Innovation and technology are constantly opening new doors to riches. Your mindset and attitude can determine your financial destiny. And last but not least, time is on your side. The earlier you start, the better. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to Investor Web for more insightful content. Here's to your financial success.